Did you know that everything you learned in school about our solar system might be completely wrong? What if the textbooks missed a massive secret hiding right under our noses? For years, we've been told there are exactly 8 planets orbiting our sun. But what if I revealed to you that there is a terrifyingly powerful giant 9th planet operating in the shadows? And no, I am absolutely not talking about Pluto. Scientists call it Planet Y or Planet 9. It's a lurking cosmic monster 5 to 10 times the size of Earth. It has enough gravitational muscle to literally hijack the orbits of outer space rocks, yet nobody has ever seen it. It's perfectly invisible. So, how do we know it's actually there? Why is it hiding from our most advanced tech? And what if it's not a planet at all, but something way more dangerous? Trust me, the theories get absolutely wild. Before we unlock this cosmic crime scene, do me a quick favor. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and join our community of space explorers. Done? Now let's travel past the edge of reality. To truly understand this cosmic hide-and-seek, we need to zoom past Mars, past Jupiter, and even past the freezing orbit of Pluto. Welcome to the Kuiper Belt. This place is essentially the Wild West of our solar system, a massive, chaotic ring filled with trillions of frozen rocks, comets, and icy dwarf planets left over from the birth of our universe. For decades, scientists thought this was just a quiet, lonely graveyard. But in 2016, 2 brilliant astronomers from Caltech, Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin, noticed something that completely broke the internet. They were tracking a specific group of extreme distant space rocks. Normally, these rocks should orbit the sun in random scattered directions, right? But they weren't. Instead, these objects were all clustered together, looping around the sun in a bizarre, heavily tilted and elongated path. Imagine walking into an empty stadium and seeing hundreds of people randomly crowded into one single tiny corner for no apparent reason. You would instantly know someone or something forced them to go there. That is exactly what's happening in deep space. The mathematical probability of this alignment happening by pure accident is less than 0.001%. The math doesn't lie. Something with an unbelievable amount of gravity is acting like an invisible bully, violently pulling these frozen worlds out of their natural paths and dragging them into a cosmic alignment. The footprint of this giant is everywhere. But when astronomers pointed the world's most powerful telescopes directly at the spot to take a picture, they found absolutely nothing. Just cold, empty, mocking blackness. This leaves the entire scientific community obsessed with one glaring question. How on earth does a planet that massive just vanish? The answer comes down to a scale of distance that will genuinely break your brain. Planet Y lives so deep in the celestial suburbs that it makes Pluto look like it's living next door to the Sun. To put this into perspective, the distance between Earth and the Sun is called 1 astronomical unit. Neptune, the farthest known planet, is about 30 units away. Planet Y? It is estimated to be anywhere between 400 to 800 units away from us. Because it is trapped in this extreme outer darkness, almost zero sunlight reaches its surface. It doesn't generate its own light, and it doesn't have enough nearby stars to reflect anything back to our cameras. It is literally a dark shadow floating in a dark room, and its orbit is so incredibly massive that it takes this mysterious world anywhere between 10,000 and 20,000 Earth years just to complete one single trip around the Sun. Think about the timeline of human history for a second. The last time Planet Y was on the exact opposite side of its orbit, woolly mammoths were actively roaming across the frozen plains of Earth, and humans hadn't even invented agriculture yet. It is a slow, silent ghost watching us from the dark. But hold on tight, because this is where the story takes a sharp, mind-bending turn into pure science fiction. As the years went on and telescopes kept failing to snap a physical picture of Planet Y, some physicists started getting restless. They began to ask a radical, highly controversial question. What if we can't find this planet because we are looking for the wrong type of celestial object? A few years ago, a team of top-tier scientists came up with a jaw-dropping alternative theory that sent shockwaves through the physics world. They calculated that Planet Y might not be a giant ball of gas, ice, or rock at all. Instead, they proposed that it could be a primordial black hole. Now, before you start picturing a massive galaxy-destroying vortex swallowing our entire solar system, let me explain. A primordial black hole is a totally different beast. These are ancient, ultra-dense remnants created in the first few fractions of a second, right after the Big Bang. If this mind-blowing theory is correct, this mini black hole would pack the exact same gravitational mass of 5 to 10 Earths. But because black holes are infinitely dense, all of that mass would be compressed into a physical sphere roughly the size of a bowling ball or a grapefruit. Just imagine that for a moment. A bowling ball-sized pocket of pure ancient gravity floating silently on the edge of our solar system, violently warping space-time and bending the orbits of entire worlds around it. It completely and perfectly explains why every single optical telescope on Earth sees nothing but black space. You can't photograph a black hole because it swallows the very light you need to see it. It is the ultimate cosmic camouflage, whether Planet Y turns out to be a freezing, beautiful ice giant or a terrifying, invisible, ancient black hole. The global race to uncover the truth is reaching an absolute boiling point. We aren't just sitting around guessing anymore. Right now, next-generation megatelescopes are coming online to settle this debate once and for all. The most exciting tool in this hunt is the brand new, state-of-the-art Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile. This facility features a massive 3 billion pixel camera designed to scan the entire available night sky every few nights. It's basically a cosmic motion detector. Scientists are currently using it to sift through billions of stars, looking for the tiniest, microscopic dip in light, or a faint whisper of infrared heat moving across the dark. Space agencies are also discussing the wild possibility of sending specialized nanospacecraft probes out into the deep void to detect the gravitational field of Planet Y directly. We are closer right now than we have ever been in human history to cracking this cosmic mystery wide open. Just imagine the exact moment the breaking news alerts hit your phone, announcing that a ninth planet, or an ancient black hole, has officially been discovered operating right in our cosmic backyard. It would instantly shatter our current understanding of the universe, rewrite every single astronomy textbook on Earth, and completely change how we view our place in the cosmos. So, let's open up the debate. What do you think is actually hiding out there in the freezing dark? Are we looking for a giant, undiscovered frozen world that has eluded us for centuries? Or do you think a miniature black hole is silently pulling the strings of our solar system? Drop your wildest theories, ideas, and explanations in the comments section below. I read and reply to as many as I can. If this video gave you chills and expanded your mind, make sure to smash that like button. Share this video with your fellow space nerds and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another deep space